Welcome to Healthy Conversation. Science Quiz, objective questions and answers for class 2 and 3. Question: which part of plant makes food? A stem, B seed, C root, D leaves. Correct answer is D leaves. Question: which is the bright and colorful part of the plant? A fruit, B flower, C seed, D root. Correct answer is B flower. Question: plants that are smaller than trees are called dash. A creeper, B tree, C shrubs, D herbs. Correct answer is C shrubs. Question: wheat, maize and barley are called A pulses, B cereals, C fruits, D flowers. Correct answer is B cereals. Question: we eat dash of garlic, ginger and potato. A root, B fruit, C flower, D stem. Correct answer is D stem. Question: we eat dash of carrot and radish. A root, B fruit, C flower, D stem. Correct answer is A root. Question: which plant live for a few years? A creeper, B tree, C shrubs, D herbs. Correct answer is C shrubs. Question: we eat a dash of spinach, cabbage. A root, B leaves, C flower and D stem. Correct answer is B leaves. Question: which type of plants live for a short time? A trees, B shrubs, C herbs. Correct answer is C herbs. Question: plants give us dash like neem, cloves, mint, amla and turmeric. A vegetables, B pulses, C cereals, D medicines. Correct answer is D turmeric. Question: which part of plant is a hard and strong? A root, B fruit, C trunk, D leaves. Correct answer is C trunk. Match the following: A mint tree, B rose climber, C. Guava, shrubs. D. Grapevine, shrubs. E. Cotton, herb. Correct answer is A. Mint is herb. Rose is shrub. Guava is shrub. Grapevine is climber. And cotton is tree. Subscribe, like, share and comment to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Hip hip hooray!